Good morning, friends. Hope you are enjoying your life and my video also. Today, I will start sequence and series. What is sequence? It is succession of terms arranged in a definite order This is one definition of sequence. Second is what? Sequence is defined as a function. Sequence is defined as a function whose domain is set of natural numbers and codomain is set of real numbers. Note, if T1, T2, T3, Tn be terms of sequence, then T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus Tn, that is sum of terms, is known as series. This year we'll be learning following sequences. Number 1, arithmetic progression. In short, we write as what? AP. Second is geometric progression. In short, we write GP. And third is harmonic progression, HP. And fourth is combination of arithmetic and geometric, that is known as arithmetico geometric progression. Known as AGP. Now we'll proceed to arithmetic progression. A sequence is said to be arithmetic progression AP. A sequence is said to be in AP if there is common difference between any two consecutive terms, that is T1, T2, T3 are in AP if T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2 is equal to T4 minus T3 and all are equal to Tn minus 1 is equal to D, common difference D. Now we'll go to what? Nth term of AP theorem. If A is first term, and D is common difference of an AP, then prove that nth term of AP is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now see the proof. Let T1, T2, T3, Tn be n terms of AP. Where T1 is what? A. First term is given to be A. By definition of AP, T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2 T4 minus T3 all are equal and equal to Tn minus 1 is equal to D. So this implies T2 minus T1 is what? D. Therefore T2 is what? T1 plus D. And T1 is what? A. A plus D. T3 minus T2 is what? D. So T3 is what? T2 plus D. And T2 is what? A plus D. Plus D, which will give you A plus 2D. T4 minus T3 is what? D. So this will give you T4 is what? T3 plus D, and T3 is A plus 2D, plus D will give you what? A plus 3D. Proceeding in this manner, we get Tn is equal to C. When it is fourth term, number of D is 3D. Third term, 2D. Second term, 1D. And first term, 0D. So number of D is what? 1 less than number of term. So nth term, A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is formula for nth term of AP. Next is three very important note based on this. If we had to find three numbers in AP, then take them as A minus D, A plus D. If we had to find four numbers in AP, then take them as A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. If we have to find five numbers in AP, then take them as A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. Some important points are there. Note. If a sequence is in AP, then any fixed number constant number are added is added or subtracted to each term of given AP, then resulting sequence will also be in AP. Number 2, if a sequence is in AP, then any fixed number fixed non-zero number fixed means constant is multiplied or divided to each term of given AP, then resulting sequence will also be in AP. Will also be in AP. Sum of first n terms of AP theorem. If A is first term and D is common difference of an AP, then prove that sum of first n terms of AP is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Let T1, T2, T3 dot Tn be n terms of AP, where T1 is what? First term, which is A, and Tn is last term L, which is given by A plus n minus 1 into D. Sum of first n terms of AP is Sn is what? T1 plus T2 plus T3 dot plus Tn minus 2 plus Tn minus 1 plus Tn. Therefore, T1 is what? A. T2 is A plus D. T3 is A plus 2D. Plus. Now here last term is what? L. Second last term will be what? L minus D. To get second last term, we have to subtract common difference from last term. And third last term is what? L minus 2D. This will write as equation number 1. Also, same Sn can be written as, now we'll add from behind, L plus L minus D plus L minus 2D plus A plus 2D plus A plus D plus A. Equation 2. Now we'll add equation 1 and 2. When we'll add, Sn plus Sn is what? 2 times Sn. A plus L. While adding this, plus D minus D will get cancelled. You'll get A plus L. Plus 2D minus 2D will get cancelled. A plus L. Again, minus 2D plus 2D cancel. L plus A or A plus L, one and same. Plus A plus L plus A plus L. Therefore, 2 times Sn is what? How many A plus L's are there? 1, 2, 3 up to n. Number of term is what? N. So there are n times A plus L. So Sn is what? N by 2 into A plus L is nothing but Tn. So this is one formula for sum of n terms of AP. If you know number of terms, first term and last term, then we can use this formula. Now you know Tn is what? A plus n minus 1 into D. So Sn is what? N by 2 into A plus n minus 1 into D. So Sn will be what? N by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Let me give one very important note. One very important note. Since Sn is what? T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus so on, plus Tn minus 1 plus Tn. This is sum of first n natural number. First n terms. So same Sn can be written as, now this is sum of first n minus 1 terms. So it is Sn minus 1 plus Tn. So what is nth term? Sn minus 1. This is formula for nth term of AP. Now see one question. If A1, A2, A3, an be in AP, where an is what? 100. Nth term is 100 and 48 term minus 39 term is what? 3 by 5. Then find 15th term of AP from behind, from the end. Since A40 minus A39 is 3 by 5, and this will give you what? Common difference D. D is what? 3 by 5. AN is what? 100. Nth term is 100. So this is what? A1 plus n minus 1 into D is what? 100. So A1 is what? 100 minus n minus 1 into 3 by 5, because D is what? 3 by 5. Keep as it is. This is first term. Therefore, 15th term from behind, from the end, is equal to A n minus 15 plus 1. This is the formula. Nth term minus 15th term from behind plus 1 we have to add, which is what? A plus A of n minus 14. So we have to find out A n minus 14th term. By formula it is what? First term plus n minus 14 minus 1 is what? N minus 15 into D. A1 we got 100 minus 3 into n minus 1 upon 5 plus n minus 15 into 3 by 5. We can take 100, take 3 by 5 common. So if we take 3 by 5 common, in bracket what is left? N minus 15 minus n plus 1, which is nothing but 100, 3 by 5 into minus 14. So 500 minus 42 upon 5. 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 4, 5. So 458 upon 5. Therefore, 15th term from behind or end is what? 458 upon 5. See question number 2. If pth term of AP is 1 upon Q and qth term is what? 1 upon P, and sum of PQ terms is what? 25 PQ. Then find the value of PQ. Let A be first term and D be common difference of AP. TP is given to be and TQ is given to be 1 upon P, and SPQ is given to be 25 PQ. What is TP? A plus P minus 1D. And TQ is what? A plus Q minus 1D solving 1 and 2. A plus P minus 1, D is what? 1 upon Q, and A plus Q minus 1 D is 1 upon P. Subtract them, minus, minus, minus. So A will get cancelled, get P minus Q. D is what? 1 by Q minus 1 by P. So P minus Q, D is what? P minus Q upon PQ. So D is what? 1 upon PQ. Now, since A plus P minus 1 into D is what? A plus P minus 1 upon PQ, because D is 1 upon PQ. A is what? 1 by Q minus P minus 1 by 1 by Q minus 1 by Q plus 1 by PQ. Separate it. P upon PQ will give you 1 upon Q. A negative sign is there. Minus into minus plus. So A is what? 1 upon PQ. Now we'll apply SPQ formula. SPQ is given to be 25 PQ. But SPQ is what? PQ by 2 into 2A plus PQ minus 1 into D. (25 PQ). PQ by 2, A is what? 1 upon PQ. So 2 by PQ plus PQ minus 1 upon D is also 1 upon PQ. Now PQ common will get cancelled. 2 you can cross multiply. So 2 plus PQ minus 1 is equal to 50 PQ. So PQ common will get cancelled. 1 by 2 into bracket 2 plus PQ minus 1 is equal to 25 PQ. So 1 plus PQ is 50 PQ. 49 for PQ you transfer on that. So 1 is equal to 49 PQ. So PQ is what? 1 by 49.